Hello, everybody. Jeremy McGuire. We are at Impressions Everlasting. It's the 2011 ECTV Bridal Fair. We're joined by Julie Faunensteel. And Julie, I tell you what, weddings are a fantastic time. They're a once in a lifetime, an awesome opportunity. You guys can do it all right here. One thing that's really important is planning and making sure that you plan everything out, and that's one thing you guys can help out here. Planning tips and getting the brides going the right direction.
That's right. Usually, this is the bride's first wedding. She's not very experienced and doesn't really know what to do, what things to think about, the planning parts. We have done this probably hundreds of times by now, and we have gathered a lot of suggestions on planning and organizing and just tips, money savers, time savers, whatnot, from the brides that have come to us and the people that we've worked with, and then our own ideas to simplify things that we are just more than happy to share. And I think it really takes that overwhelming feeling away from the bride and the bride's mom when they're just getting started and don't know what to do. So I kind of like to say, come here first and let's talk, and we can give you lots of suggestions on how to get started.
What are some of the services that you guys provide here at Impressions Everlasting?
We have focused on artificial floral arranging. Because that's the only kind of floral arranging we focus on, I feel like we can offer a wide variety of budget saviors that are still beautiful. A lot of times the artificial flowers are just as gorgeous as the fresh. They keep longer. You don't have to be as careful about them. You can see them weeks in advance. So we focus on the artificial floral arranging, the bouquets, boutonnieres, corsages, even table decorations. We also have rentals that we rent out. It's do-it-yourself, where you come and pick up the candelabras, take them to the church, and set them up yourself. Candelabras, vases for receptions, even the floral arrangements. If you want one for each table, you can rent those. We will custom make them for that bride's wedding with her colors and flowers and whatnot, and allow her to rent them rather than buy them.
When it comes to the bridal bouquet and the flowers for the bridesmaids and such, and the boutonnieres and the corsages and stuff, can you color match with the artificial flowers as well, for the most part?
Actually, I don't know that it's easy, but I think we've gotten rather skilled about matching those colors. There's new colors every season, just slightly different from last year's. Of course, we can buy ready-made artificial florals, hopefully in your color, but then we also have a spray dye process that we can, slightly change that color or make a major change to the color to make it match your wedding.
What are some of the keepsake accessories and such that you guys offer here at Impressions? Because those are one of a kind and so nice to look at years down the road.
There are things that you wouldn't want to rent and then bring back that you would like to keep, such as your unity candle, your cake topper, ring bearer pillow, guest book. We have 3 major companies that we can order from and, again, help you find the pieces that fit your taste, your style, your wedding. We can help you customize them with colored ribbon, or maybe adding jewels or whatnot. If it's not quite right, but almost, we can help you make it perfect for your wedding.
Now, also, one thing that you guys are top notch at here is gifts, whether it be for the bride or the groom, or both of them as a couple, but also for the folks that help out with your wedding. You guys offer a wide array of gifts.
It has become a tradition to offer gifts to your bridal party and even the parents, all the people that are key to celebrating your wedding with you. And again, we can order them in personalized, engraved. We can we can create them for you also if you want them personalized that way. We have lots of ideas. We can tell you what other people have done, what we've liked, and just tons of ideas out there for you.
Now, what kind of timeline on something like that? If somebody's looking to personalize their wedding from the start to the finish, whether it be the flowers or the gifts, or also the decorations that you guys offer, what kind of timeline are they looking on? How soon should they get a hold of you and start talking to you about these?
I like to have lots of time, but we have pulled weddings off in, less than 3 weeks. That's pretty stressful for everyone involved, but it can be done. I would say 6 months to a year. Usually if, you've become engaged, you've given yourself about that much time, because it takes that much time to get the church and the hall booked. We can work with you from the beginning, giving you ideas, starting the thinking process, and then gathering ideas, and then at least 2 months before, we really need to sit down and finalize what we're going to do, get things ordered in. It's pretty stressful to do it in a shorter amount of time than that.
I can understand that. And Julie, another thing that is really important and really a time saver and a convenience also is a bridal registry. Talk about your registry here at Impressions Everlasting.
Well, we are a gift store, so we see a lot of people come in and shop for the couple and want to give a really meaningful gift that the bride and the groom really like and really want. And it is very, very helpful if the bride and groom have registered. So we do provide that registry service here. We have kitchen items, Yankee candles. We have lots of home decor. Again, we can customize if you would like a wreath for your front door, pick out the flowers, the colors, the size, and we'll get it made for you and add it to your bridal registry. It's a very nice thing to do for your guests to give them an idea of what you would be really happy with because they want to give you something you really like.
Now, how do they get a hold of you? Where can they find you out here in Hayes?
We are located at 2505 Vine Street in Hayes, just right on Vine, so it's pretty easy to see. Our telephone number 785-621-2560. We are listed in the phone book, so you can find us there. And we do have a website still under construction, but you can check it out at iegiftsonline.com.
All right, sounds awesome. So if it's your wedding and you want the advice from start to finish, Julie and the staff right here in Impressions Everlasting will take you to the finish line. I promise you that. So for Julie Fonensteel, this is Jeremy McGuire from Impressions Everlasting.